How's everybody doing? Okay, so this is the final stage that I do when I weather cars after the graffiti has been applied. I just take a mix wash of burnt umber or raw umber, whichever you prefer. They're both pretty similar. One's more red and one's more brown than the other. So I just play around with it, and then I just lay on a wash like this, right? A very thin wash. If you want it to build up around the ribs and stuff, just lay it down flat. You just lay it on like that. It's nothing fancy. If you don't like it a little bit later, you can come back with a Q-tip and knock some of it down, right? That's all I do. And the thinner that I use in this case is Stevenson Odorless Mineral Spirits with, compatible. I use Windsor Newton oils. They're a little more expensive, but the pigment's better. So, right, you get a better wash with rather than the cheap oils. And then I put it on a little bit of cardboard first to suck some of the oil out of it. And then, yeah, I just dab it on, brush it on, pour it on, whatever you want. Move it around a bit. Okay, so I just want to show you a yellow car. So I'll just move this one aside for now. And then this one. And this one. Now this car here, this TTX. So it's a yellow car, right? So I'll show you, it looks a bit different here. I use a more thinner mix here with this. I don't want to be too heavy because it's a fairly newer car for the period that I'm modeling or plan to remodel on the layout. So I don't want to overdo it with this one. And you can tilt the car a bit so that, it runs down a bit more to the bottom like this. That's all I want to do. I want this one to look a little more recent than the other one. Obviously it's a much newer car if I'm modeling, let's say 2012, right? These cars, they get dirty pretty fast. But these ones are still pretty good though. Pretty clean looking, as you can see in some of the earlier photos or videos that I uploaded. Right. It doesn't hurt to give it a bit of a wash though, and it won't hurt the acrylic. Compatibility is fine. I'd rather do this first and then flat coat it in the end. That way I don't take any chances of lifting anything. Just play around, move it around. That's all I do. It's nothing. There's no parlor tricks here. Just get some oils and have fun, right? That's all you do. If you don't like certain parts, you can come back later with oils on a Q-tip and remove some of it, right? So I'll just keep that propped up for a bit. And there you have it.